Welcome back to the channel. Trying to get a better intro, guys. Hell, I don't even have no intro. So I'm trying to get better at this because obviously I'm doing something wrong because I don't have a lot of subscribers. I've been doing this. This is crazy. I've been doing this for what, 6 years? With 33 subscribers. The last 2 subscribers, what? Within this month or 2, something like that. It's crazy, man. But yeah, we're back. It's time to, I'm trying to get a still for the what do you call it, thumbnail. Trying to get a still for the thumbnail. Let's see, let's get that. I think that's good enough. All right, so yeah, now we are trying, we're not trying, we're going to be putting the carpet in. I believe in this video we're gonna put the carpet in, but we gotta finish tightening down these little things. Clumsy. Gotta get this stuff right here. We gotta tighten this in. I just put this in before I got the video started because I said I don't have to show everything putting it on. I wasn't going to show this, but then I said, might as well. Right. Those in tight. Just didn't know where this goes. I don't remember. It probably goes on the side over here on one of these other boats, on one of these other boat holes. Pretty sure it don't go over here because that wouldn't make sense. But to go there, so I think we can begin with the carpet. I think we need to get it. Then I'm looking at these little spots on here. I wonder if that's just dusty, dirty, or worse, mold. I don't know. But mold can't live where there's no water, so only time this stuff got wet is when we washed in here. And that stuff is don't look like that, so maybe I should do a little test. Yeah, maybe I should do a little test. I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna leave you running right here. I'll just cut it off and then come back. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it running and I'll edit it out. Let's get quick second. I'm gonna put a little bit of bleach in here, you know. Yeah, it's a lot of bleach, I know. It's a lot of bleach. But just test this thing. All right. Let's spray a little bit on those spots and see what it does. Oh man, it still got some of the stuff in here. Okay, now it's gone. It had to get itself out. It had to rinse itself out. Okay. If it stays the same color, then we're good. If it don't stay the same color, we're still good. Smells like a laundromat in here. Smells like a laundromat in here. Okay. That's all the spots I see, so I think we're good. Yeah, so we can put this carpet in here and don't have to worry about anything. If I'm not mistaken, that area looks just cleaning up a little bit. It's like it's clearing up over there. Over there, not so much. Let's put some on there. That's it, man. We'll leave it. It's time to put this carpet in. I'm tired. I'm not tired. I'm not tired. I'm just tired of. Let's get you up a little bit. I'm just tired of dealing with this car. Okay. I already made in my mind I'm not going to be doing these type of jobs anymore. They're real heavy. Now, like I said, I think I said this a few months ago or whatever. If I find me a Suburban or something, yeah, like a 2015 and up, for a good price, yeah, then I would do it. I would simply bite the bullet, and yeah, I would buy it. For cars like this, nah, I'm not gonna do it anymore. Not gonna do it anymore. It's a pain. It's a pain. Okay, that's it. But yeah, no more of these. No more of these heavy burnt cars. Okay? No more of these heavy burnt cars. Matter of fact, that was my Excursion was. It was a burnt one too. I might post some picture of that. that my excursion. I might post some pictures on my excursion when I first got it. But back then, hell, I was a lot younger. Matter of fact, a lot younger, more eager to do things. You know, now older, tired, not want to do it. So yeah, just taking a little break, talking to my peoples. You know what I'm saying? Talking to my peoples. Y'all know how they go. I'm gonna chop this up. I might not even put this in here. I don't know. I might not put this part. I might edit this out. I might not. Take a little break. Drink a little Pepsi. Get yours. Not an endorsement. If you want, we can do a deal though. Get a Pepsi near you. Go, 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 go. Pepsi. Well, we got to get to it. We about to get back to it. Got the carpet right up there. You see it? Yeah, it's on top of the car. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna have to edit this video down because it might be kind of long. Okay. Oh, guys, that really was mowed. You see that? That really was mowed. It cleared up good. That was mowed. Man. Yeah, that was mowed. Yikes. Really was mowed. Thought I was tripping. Yeah, I thought I was tripping. I thought I was tripping. Guess I wasn't. Guess see a little bit on this side as well. not want to hear nobody saying when I bought that car from you, I got breathing problems after I got it. Start breathing funny. Start coughing. I don't want to see. Don't want to hear. So bought the car from you and got breathing problems. About to sue you. I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you for money you don't have. I want 10 million. Won't ever see it in life, but I want it. Okay. I think it's about that time to put this cart in. I gotta see which position it goes in. I hope this camera don't stop on me. I hope I got enough time on here to do this. I gotta really get me a better memory card because this one only got 8 gigabytes on it. Okay. How does it lay out? I know a lot of little pieces dropping off over there. Don't want that. Okay. I think I got it right. I think I got it right. I think it goes in here like this. Yeah, it's good. Exactly how it goes, guys. Exactly how it goes. This is exactly how it goes in here. Put it. This is really, gotta pop the wire, run this up a little bit. But this is how it goes. It is in here, guys. Uh-oh. I see something that I didn't do, but that shouldn't be a problem because, yeah, this part, oh, Lord, I gotta pop that. Gonna pop that out. I think we're running out of time. There's 8 gigs. 8 gigs ain't but so long, guys. And this thing is gonna stop recording. Gotta get me a new one. I should have used one of my other cameras. I got like 250 gigs on one of them and 32 gigs on another. This is the one with the lease. Okay. Got the carpet in there, guys. I'm gonna take that because that could be the thumbnail. now that we got it in there, but okay, let's see if we can pop this thing up. I gotcha. Okay, that's that. See the screw. Lord, my back is gonna. I think my back is gonna kill me. No more. My back is gonna get me. My back is gonna get me. Okay. Come on. Come on, I'm gonna put y'all right there. Y'all see it? Okay. Alright guys, if the camera ends, I'm sorry. But that will be the end of the video if it ends earlier than expected. Shouldn't have put those on. Shouldn't have put those on, guys. Come on. Pop into place, just like that. Okay. Now, got that back into place. Let's tighten it. There you have it. That part is on. I can just squeeze that up under there like that. And that is all she wrote. Now, I'm pretty sure, this definitely goes over there like that. And all that goes over there like that. Pretty sure this goes like this over here. Once the center console goes over this, I think it'll be fine. Yeah, once that center console goes over this carpet over here, I think that'll be gravy. Now what goes through this little hole right here? I don't know, but we are figured out. We were figured out. I know the gear shift comes through here, right? Yeah, the gear shift comes through here. What comes through that hole? I'm not sure, but we'll get it. See guys, like I said, this carpet is pretty clean. We don't have too much to do with it. You know, we can vacuum it, yeah, of course that, but other than that, we don't have too much to worry about. I gotta put that back under the seat. Of course, we gotta put this right here. Gotta pull these off, then pop the carpet up under, then pop it back over it. Alright guys, let me say this is the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. I don't know what we're gonna be doing next. I don't know. I think we're gonna be working on up here. I think so. But like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one when we're back in the yard. Yard 2. Peace. Okay guys, this is the carpet. This is the finished result. It's in, it's nice, it's need a little cleaning, but not really much cleaning, just sweeping, vacuuming, and the rest of this little stuff out of here, a little bit of trash. Need to get vacuum out of here, vacuum. So yeah, we're looking good. Everything looking good, but up there. So what I'm gonna do with that is I'm gonna cover the carpet up with some kind of blanket, and I'm gonna get up here and I might just wash that with some soap and water, get it as clean as I can get it, or use some type of I don't know, maybe even Brillo pads, something like that, soap pads. I think soap pads might get that clean enough. And once I use the soap pad, I will then I'll spray some primer and paint over it, and we'll be done. Then we can put that headliner in here, because the headliner gotta go in next. It does. The headliner is next. See, I put the brake booster in. I put the brake booster in. I got all the screws in. Yeah, let's put 2 screws in there. But I got the brake booster in there, so yeah, that is looking pretty sweet. Then I gotta run this gear shift in, which I have right here. Gotta run that in there. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna sit it in here now. Not gonna do any more with it today, but yeah, I'm gonna run that through the firewall, which you see this, and you see how that looks, goes right there. So yeah, once we get all this stuff running the way it should, get it running the way it should be run, and then get the headliner in. Then we can put this thing back once we get the air box hooked back up to it. Then this car will look really good again. It didn't look good now ever since, let's see, what, 3/15/22. That's when this thing got, well, I would say this is the day it got burnt. Or this may be the day Copart picked it up. I don't know. So, but yeah, it's gonna look really good. It's gonna look really good. It's gonna be ready. It already looks good. Already looks good. Yeah. It's gonna look even better. Yep. I'm gonna put this thing, run this thing to the transmission, hook it up. Matter of fact, we're gonna run it through this firewall out to up under the hood. I think that's how we did it. How? Or do we run it? Yeah, we have to run it from in here to out there. I think that's how it go. Just gotta unhook this. Just gotta take this off, and then we'll run this through the firewall. Hook it back on once we get it through the firewall. Screw this down right there where it's supposed to go. But what am I looking at? I'm looking at, it don't look the same, is it? That little rubber piece, where is that? Cause that's the burnt one. I might have to use that burnt one again. I hope not. I might have to use that. Or, wait a minute here. Wait a minute. I don't know what I'm looking at, man. That looks a little different. You can tell it goes there, but this part looks different from that one over there. It looks different. Oh. Well, if it is, we'll figure it out. But I'm about to wrap things up here. Got a couple of more parts. Got a lot of parts to go to this car that we got to put back together. A lot of it is in this trunk. You can see all these wires and things. All of the stuff got to go in the engine compartment. Got to get hooked back up. Got a lot of work ahead. Alright guys, this was just a little video just to finish it up, to show you got it in. Looks decent. Everything's starting to look real good now. It's all coming together. So it's going to be looking really sweet soon. Especially once those seats get done. It's going to be the jam. You dig? You dig. Alright guys, that's the end of this one. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one, when we're again in the yard. Peace.